I am Mercedes and I'm going to speak about the image after BP crisis. 3 years after the BP oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico, the people are still likely to have an unfavorable view of the company involved in the disaster. While BP has spent millions on ads touting the company's cleanup efforts, it's unclear whether those ads have really helped the BP's image. According to the new poll, 43% of people have an unfavorable view of the multinational oil and gas company, and 31% have a favorable view. The Deeper Horizon spill was a huge public relations debacle for BP, and the results of the poll helped to show why. Even 3 years after the oil started gassing into the Gulf of Mexico, 75% respondents say that they had heard a lot about it, while 27% say that they had heard a little, and only 8% say that they had heard nothing at all. Given that level of public awareness, it's not surprising that BP has spent millions of dollars on advertising in response to the spill, including almost 100 million during the 4 months of the spill itself. That advertising had reached the majority of Americans, according to the survey. 67% say that they had seen BP's TV ads about cleaning up after the spill, compared to the 33% who said either that they had not seen the ads, 23%, or that they weren't sure, the 10%. But the survey found mixed evidence for how well those ads are working to improve BP's image. Mierda.